It's Friday, July 9th, 2021. We're at 18671 Milburn Street in Livonia. As you can see, we're at the front wall of the house. We have the water meter. On the right, we have the storm. On the left, we have the sanitary cleanout. We're going to do a diagnostic televise of the sanitary sewer. The sewer does go out the front of the house. As you can see, this is where the storm and sanitary tie together. We're in the 4-inch cast iron. You can see we have a little bit of scale buildup, not too awful bad. You can see we do have a little bit of calcite right here at the transition. This is from the 4-inch cast iron to the 6-inch clay. You can see we have some calcite here at this joint. Okay, as you can see, we have a larger amount of calcite that's built up here. As you can see, it looks like we have calcite so far at most of the joints to varying degrees. We definitely would recommend hydrojetting to clear the calcite. Here you can see we have a larger buildup that is encroaching on the flow area of the pipe. Okay, here you can see we have just a slight amount of water that the sewer's holding just basically at the camera head. We believe we have some calcite right here. As you can see, we kind of jumped over a lip of calcite. That's the reason for holding water. Okay, as you see, once we get out here, it seems like the joints are a little bit better. We don't have as much calcite buildup as we did in about the first 40 feet. Sewer does go out under the street. It does go across to the other side. Again, you can see here we have a slight amount of water that's being held. Again, it's just barely above our camera, so when we pull back it won't seem to be that much water, as it looks a lot deeper when we're pushing into it than when we're pulling back. Okay, you can see right here at the connection to the main, 93 feet, we do have a large amount of calcite here. It's definitely something that would require hydrojetting. We are going to pause our recording for a minute. We will continue to record as we pull back. Okay, so you can see this is the ridge that we were talking about as far as the calcite. So we start at about 35 feet, and then we do have the large amount of calcite right at the connection to the city main. We are going to continue to pull back. You'll notice here as our camera lifts up and then down. You can actually see that we actually moved some of that calcite, as you can